Alright guys, in this video I am going to review on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So hey guys, I am Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. So if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification because we regularly upload these kinds of tech news at first. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay guys, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G phone. Its display type is Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Display size is 6.8 inches. Resolution is 1440 into 3088 pixels. And processor is Exynos 2200 and operating system is Android 12 and internal storage is 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. RAM is 12GB, 8GB and 1TB. Front camera is 40 megapixel, back camera is 108 megapixel and battery capacity is 5000 mAh. Charging is 45 watts fast charging and colors are phantom black, white, burgundy and green and graphite red and sky blue. So that is the specifications of this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G phone. So subscribe this channel and turn on the notification if this video works for you, and like this video, comment me in the below how is the review and how is the phone. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.